friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Veena. Today I will be sharing Deepika Padukone reception makeup look. She absolutely looked gorgeous and hot in her red gown. She wore smoky eyes with nude lips. So here I will be sharing her inspired look. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, I will apply Wet n Wild primer with my fingers on my face, which will smoothen out the area and make my skin even. For the foundation, I will be applying L'Oreal Matte Magic foundation. Her base makeup is flawless and perfect. So I will mix little bit of glycerin in my foundation and then I will apply it on my face. This will make my foundation look flawless and perfect. Next, by using Wet n Wild concealer, I am going to highlight my face. I am applying it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid bow, on my chin, around my mouth and under my contour area. And blending it really well with the small beauty sponge. Then I will set the concealer by using Maybelline Compact Powder. By using the same small sponge, I will set the concealer. This will prevent our concealer from creasing. Her eyebrows are thick and filled well, so I am going to fill my eyebrows and give them a nice shape by using Wet n Wild brown eyebrow pencil. Moving on to eye makeup, first I will be putting sellotape near my eyes in an angle to get that perfect finish edges. All the eyeshadows I am using today are from the Maybelline Nudes palette. I already primed and setted my eyelid. Now I will pick up this shade from the palette and apply this into my crease. This will act as transition shade and help in eyeshadow blending. Next, I will start painting the outer V of my eyes by using Maybelline Gel Liner. I am not going above my crease, I am just painting this color till my crease. Then to make this liner matte, I am gonna pick up this black eyeshadow from the palette and apply this on top of the gel liner. And for the lid, I will be applying this silver shade from the palette. Now by using that same gel liner, I am drawing a very thin line on my upper lash line. And with the same liner, I am drawing a thick line on my lower lash line. Tightlining my waterline by using Faces Kajal pencil. Here I am curling my lashes and applying 2 coats of mascara on my both upper and lower lashes by using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Then I am highlighting my face by using Makeup Revolution highlighter, highlighting highest point of my cheeks, bridge of my nose, cupid bow, brow bone, tear duct and on my chin. Lastly, I am mixing 2 lip shades together and applying it on my lips. Then by using Miss Claire's setting spray, I am going to set everything well. With that, makeup is completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.